So our problem is asking us, does 4 come before 1 or does 4 come after 1? So what does that mean? Well, it really helps to actually draw out our number line. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what do we notice? We notice that on our number line, 4 comes after 1. Another way of saying this is that 4 is bigger than 1. So as we go down the number line towards the right in this direction, our numbers are actually getting bigger. So that's why we can say that 4 comes after 1, but we can also say that 4 is bigger than 1. So the correct answer here is B. 4 is after 1.